Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by cutting supply and power, then relieve pressure. This prevents spills and shocks. Once the system is depressurized, place a bucket under the housing and use the wrench to loosen the canister. Do this slowly to avoid sudden water release. Make sure to inspect the old cartridge's seals as you remove it, because worn O-rings cause leaks. Taking a quick photo of the filter orientation will save time when reinstalling, and it clarifies how the new cartridge must seat. Once the old cartridge is out, clean the interior of the housing and check threads for grit. Contaminants can prevent a proper seal. You should replace or lubricate the O-ring with food-grade silicone so it compresses smoothly and avoids pinching. This is why leaks often happen. Next, align the new cartridge to the orientation marks and push it fully into the seat. This ensures correct flow. Make sure to hand tighten first, then use the wrench for the final quarter turn to reach a reliable seal. You finish by slowly restoring water to the unit so you can observe seals under pressure. Abrupt opening can stress a marginal seal. Once pressurized, check all joints and the housing for weeping for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Small drips reveal misalignment. Then flush the new filter according to the manufacturer, usually 2 to 5 gallons, because this removes carbon fines and stabilizes flow. If you still see a leak, shut off, depressurize, reseat or replace the O-ring, then retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.